Online PCV theory lessons have been designed to help you to easily learn the facts so you can go and pass your PCV theory test and hazard perception test on your first attempt. Here's an overview of what the lessons include. You'll see an introduction to the lessons first of all, and then you'll see a section on test tactics. These are easy methods to answer any theory question. You get access to DTSA, where you can go and practice some questions using this method. The next section covers hazard perception. There's some notes and there's a video telling you how to do the hazard perception clips really easily. Then you'll start to cover the lesson topics. The first topic is accidents. You'll see a worksheet, video tutorials, a facts list and a quiz to complete. Then you can go to DTSA and practice all the questions in that topic. All of the PCV theory topics are covered in this way with worksheets, video tutorials, facts lists and quizzes. Once you've completed the work and managed to get 100% in the quiz, it's time to go and practice answering all the questions as well as the hazard perception clips in DTSA. If you complete all of the lessons, you'll be fully prepared to pass your PCV theory test and hazard perception test. Click the subscribe button at the bottom of the screen and don't miss out on my weekly videos.